Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to play Stockity trading trade on Stockity. First, go to the Stockity website on your browser and sign up using your email, Google, or another available option. After creating your account, log in and you'll be taken to the main trading dashboard. Now, you'll see a demo account with virtual money. This is for practice and helps you understand how trades work without any risk. If you want to trade with real money, go to the deposit section, choose a payment method, and add funds to your real account. Next, choose the trading assets from the top menu. You can select currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, or stocks depending on what's available. Once selected, the price chart for that asset will load on the screen. After that, set the trade duration. This decides how long your trade will stay active. You can pick short-term trades like 30 seconds or 1 minute or longer times if you prefer slower trades. Now enter the trade amount. This is the money you're risking on one trade. It's best to start with a small amount, especially if you're new to manage your risk. Here, analyze the price chart. You can change time frames, zoom in or out, and add indicators to understand market movement, which whether the price is moving up, down, or sideways. Then, make your prediction. Click buy or up if you think the price will be higher at the end of the selected time, or click sell or down if you think the price will be lower. Once placed, the trade will run automatically. You'll see a countdown timer on the screen. When the time ends, the system will instantly calculate the results. If your prediction is correct, you'll receive a profit added to your balance. If not, the trade amount will be deducted. You can check all results in the trade history section. Finally, keep practicing, review your past trades, and slowly improve your strategy before increasing your trade amount. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.